How many times have you had the best intentions stepping into that fitness game another time? Making sure that you're going to be as fit as you can be for the 30, 40, 50, 60-year-old self that you will become soon. And how many times did it just get busted because of that nagging ankle pain or that little thing that just took you backwards and out for 2 weeks and then you lost the cycle and you're into it? Well, that is a very common thing. In fact, it is the most common injury cycle that we experience as fitness goers, is that we start to work out. We work harder and harder and harder, and then it gets busted, something hurts. Then we try to go maybe get it fixed. Then we just go back to working hard again, and then it gets busted and we try to get it fixed. Does that cycle ever stop? Yes, it should, but it just takes a few extra thought processes. And that first thought process is we must prepare our body for working out. We must restore it from the workout. I'm simply using the words warm up and cool down. We don't do that very often. In fact, we almost never do that in most general fitness goers. So if you want to start to enhance that process and keep your journey going, start there. If you want to understand more, we have a podcast for you that is linked below that you will certainly enjoy, this how-to of making sure that you do not continue this burnout cycle.